Hey, it's Vanessa, the Crafty Gemini, and it is time to reveal all 5 of the projects that I will be teaching in my new online mini bag club number 3. So let's head over to the table so I can walk y'all through the features, the sizes, and the pockets that each one of these 5 projects have so that you can check it out and see if this is something that you want to join. Because over the next 5 to 6 weeks or so, every single week, I am posting a new video course with the step-by-step video lessons so that you can learn how to make the 5 new projects that I have designed just for you. All right, so let's try to get through these projects pretty quickly, and I'll try to point out some of the specific skills and techniques that I'll be teaching you in the video courses as we work our way through these pouches for my mini bag club number 3. So project number 1, this is my stand-up pencil pouch, and you can see when it's zipped closed, it lies pretty nice and flat. This one is empty, and this one actually has markers and pens and stuff in it already. So it's great to stick in a backpack pocket. This would make a great gift for a kid, an artist, someone who journals, a teacher. This would be a great little gift. You can see it stands up on its own, but because we're not using a thick interfacing or stabilizer like foam or anything like that, it's pretty thin. So it's a really great scrap buster as well, and all you need is the 1 zipper closure. So even if I remove all this from here, you can see if I open it like that, give it the, good stability with the base, it stands up on its own. So you can pack it in here. You can still fit a few more than what I have. Then you would push in this little leaf basically to make it lie flat, and then you can zip it shut. All right, so some of the techniques that you'll learn how to work with here are using a PDF template, because this one does have a template you need to print out for the different components, the curved parts here, and then the little base piece that's folded up inside. I will teach you how to sew zippers on a curve so you get a nice smooth curve like that, and it's fully finished. So some really fun skills and techniques, and this would make a great little gift or a good seller, I think, at a craft show or fair. All right, project number 2 is my zip pocket notebook. This is probably one of my favorites, and I'll start with this one because it has more stuff in it. It has a snap closure, so you'll be learning how to do that. This is a great one for quilters to kind of transition into making bags and projects that have pouches, things that are different from a quilt, because if I open it, let me flip it over, you can see that all this is bound, and it's like a little mini quilt is what the exterior panel is basically made of. So you're going to be learning how to measure and make and attach your binding around the edges to finish them off. We have 2 mesh pockets, one here and here. You can stuff in all kinds of supplies because the mesh is nice and stretchy as well. You can fit in a bunch of your supplies in here, zip it shut, and then you have another zip pocket, another mesh pocket on this side so you can see what you're putting in there. And then underneath each one of the mesh pockets, we have pockets here to fit paper, notebooks. I have a composition notebook in this one. So you can pack in quite a bit here. So you can see this, again, would make a really great gift item for just about anybody. Just choose fabrics that they would like, and I think it would turn out great. Here's a basketball-themed one I made for my husband. You can put notebooks, dry erase markers, all that kind of stuff, team rosters, paperwork, notes, all that kind of stuff in here. And the same thing again, 2 mesh pockets and a super simple snap closure. Project number 3 is my zip and zip pouch, and as you can see, it looks like a pretty cute, basic zippered pouch on the outside. I'm going to be teaching you this type of a zipper insertion technique where the zipper tape ends extends past so that you can get more out of the size and the opening. And then on the inside, when you do open the main zipper compartment, you have another zipper on the inside. So this is a great one for classes, retreats, for artists, anybody that has a lot of different supplies that likes to keep them compartmentalized like that. You can see that I even was able to fit in my 5-inch by 10-inch quilting ruler. I have some really nice shears here, and then on the inside you have this other zippered pocket panel on the inside. So I have a rotary cutter and a bunch of different little supplies in here. You can see that you can still, and I don't even have it close to being full, so you can put quite a bit of supplies in here, keep all your stuff organized, and because the exterior of the pouch is made with foam, your stuff is nice and padded and protected. So I could still fit quite a bit more stuff in here, but this is the zip in zip pouch, and I think this is another great one for you to make for yourself, to gift, or to sell at craft fairs. Now the 4th project is my Holly Snap wallet. Now you can use it just the wallet by itself like this, or you can include the hardware that we're going to be learning how to install here, make a wristlet strap so you can take it as a little on-the-go purse or wristlet. When we open it here, it has a magnetic snap closure, and when you open it this way, you have 1 zipper on the exterior panel here that opens up to give you 2 separate zippered pockets. So you actually have this full outside length of the panel as a pocket. So you can put, some dollar bills in there if you wanted to, and then they would just stay shut and folded up with the zipper being closed, whatever you wanted to. So you can use it as one large pocket or two smaller ones. Then on the inside, we have another zippered pocket for storage here. You can put coins, some dollars, receipts, whatever. And then on this side of it, you have 8 credit card slots. So IDs, cards, gift cards, debit cards, and all that stuff. And so you have 8, 4 going vertically down both of these rows. So a really cute small wallet that packs a punch and can be used as a wristlet. And the 5th and final bag that we're going to be tackling in my mini bag club number 3 is the Flora Crossbody bag. Now this one can be made out of cotton fabric. We are using foam as the interfacing. It has a magnetic snap and then just one open pocket for the inside lining. Okay, since it is quite small, I chose to leave out from adding any other zippered pockets and things like that. But for more advanced bag makers, you can totally add that in there. I wanted to focus on this one on working with a PDF panel, working with curves, piecing these panels together and getting the measurements exactly right so that you make sure that you're installing your magnetic snaps perfectly aligned so that when the pouch is closed, everything shuts the way that it's supposed to. We're going to be adding some basic 1/2-inch hardware here, a crossbody strap if you want it to. You can make it out of fabric, but this one I just clipped on another webbing strap from another pouch. I think I'm going to go in and make it out of the black soft vinyl here. This is a soft vinyl fabric that we do carry in the shop, so if y'all are seeing this bag and you want to make one similar to this, we carry this material in several different colorways. You can see how nice it looks when it's quilted to the foam. You get a really great texture, and I did the same thing for the flap panel here. I quilted it in with kind of a wider cross-hatching technique, and it's just a super cute little going out purse, just big enough to keep your phone, keys, some lip gloss, maybe some cards and cash, and you're out the door. So again, this one can be made out of specialty fabrics like vinyl, faux leather, cork fabric, and things like that, or it's also a great cotton fabric scrap buster. You can make this little purse for just about anybody, especially if you're adding a crossbody strap, that there's going to be some adjustability there for a younger child versus an adult who just needs to carry around a smaller sized purse. So these are all the 5 projects that we are going to be tackling in mini bag club number 3. I hope that you love them as much as I do. I think this is the best batch that I've put together yet, and I hope that you'll check it out and join us. Remember, the sign-up link with the limited time sale price is in the description box below. All right, so there you have it. Those are the 5 projects that I will be teaching students how to make in my new mini bag club number 3. So if you think you want to sign up, you want to learn how to make these projects alongside me, go ahead and use the link that I've included for you in the description box below. That will take you straight to the product page, and you'll see the sale price of $97. Now that's about the cost of like one in-person class. That's for one of these types of projects. Like a 3 to 5 hour class usually will run you about that. Now that $97 price point is getting you unlimited access to 5 different video courses with printable PDF instructions, with the live question and answer session where you can submit your questions to me and I will answer them. We're scheduling one of those after every single one of the courses goes live, so you can ask me any questions about all the projects. And then we have 3 live Zoom social hours where you will get to interact with other club members and students as well as myself in the club. Now remember that whenever you sign up for any of my paid digital courses or my online club memberships, you have unlimited access to the content, meaning after this club is over, a year and 5 years from now, if you want to go back and make any of these projects, you just log into your student account and you will have access to the PDFs, the videos, and everything will be right there for you to refresh your memory and so that you can make the projects as many times as you want to. Now, the live components of this club, because I know a lot of times I get those questions, people say, well, I can't really join because I work or I can't catch the live sessions of it. Remember that the video lessons themselves are not live. Those are all pre-recorded so you can watch them on your own time and at your own pace. The live components are live question and answer sessions, which even if you miss them live, they are all recorded and posted to your student account so you can watch the replay at any time. And the same thing goes to the Zoom social hours. Those are also recorded and posted for replay watching in the student account, okay? So all that stuff, once you pay the $97, you're gonna get access to all of it. If you're catching it live now, that's gonna be the best way to do it, because once our club is over, we tend to open it up and sell it at a higher price price point to the general public, but they don't get access to any of the live components. They'll only get access to the replayed ones that we are about to film live together, those live question and answer sessions and the Zoom social hours. So this is definitely the best value, and it's a great bang for your buck. So I hope that you all will join us. I hope to see you in Mini Bag Club number 3. Again, the sign up link is in the description box below, and hurry because the expiration date on the registration page is coming up real soon, and I would hate for y'all to miss it. So I hope to see you in the club, and thanks for watching. Bye.